Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I will talk about the best practices to make sure your content continues to appear in Google News in the event of site redesign or protocol changes. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So guys, if you are thinking of working on a site redesign, then keep these points in mind during this process. Number one is, if your redesign involves changing the domain of your site, review this article, Changing This Site Domain by Google. It has all the steps you need to follow in order to avoid the rejection in Google News. The next one on the list is, if your redesign involves changing your site structure, then update Google News record of your content labels. Also update your news sitemap if you have one. Now next on the list is, review the technical requirements from Google so that the layout and the format of your site are easy for Google News crawlers to read the data. Another one from the list of best practices is, minimize the number of redirects that send the crawler of a link from one page to another page. Next on the list is, allow Google to crawl HTTPS version of your site. Because for Google News to crawl your HTTPS content, you need to publish your articles on HTTPS URLs. That's why we recommend you to redirect from HTTP URLs to HTTPS URLs. I hope that you learned something from it. If not, watch it again and please leave any suggestion or comments if you have any in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the